Hey, what's up, fam? This your boy Russ with the 5280 Fighting Bulls. All right, we back for another session. All right, first and foremost, I'm not a financial advisor. So with that said, everything that we're going to be discussing in this video is purely for educational purpose only. All right, so the topic of discussion today is due diligence, right? So I know there's a lot of people they just take stock picks. You could be at the bar, at work, in a chat group, and somebody throws out a stock pick and say, "Hey, go check this out." So that doesn't necessarily mean to go buy the stock, okay? So you should go do some due diligence and to see if this is something that you want to buy for yourself, okay? Um, so here we go. I'm going to show you what I would do if I was doing some due diligence on a company that I plan on keeping for the long term. So let's get started here. So if I didn't know anything about a company that somebody recommended to me, I would definitely go to Yahoo Finance, and I like another one. It's called barcharts.com. I would go to Yahoo Finance, and I just start digging in, right? So check out the profile. All right. So as soon as it comes up here, okay. So check out the stock price. I look at see who's running the company, who's on the board, my key executives. Get a brief description about the company. Um, I personally don't invest in restaurants for the long term. Now, if they do a quick pop, 10, 20 cents, I will. But I'm usually just in and out of these stocks really fast. So my favorite sectors are is the technology and energy sector. Now those I will hold for quite a while. But anyway, um, again, if I didn't know anything about this company, I'll just try to get some information about it. Like I said, the industry, the sector, who's on the board, the description of the company. Then I would want to go dive into its financials. So inside the financials, you're gonna find things like the income statement, the balance sheets, the cash flow. I'm gonna look at the revenue to see if the revenue is increasing quarter by quarter, year by year. See what kind of debt they have. See what kind of debt to income ratio they have, which you can find that down here. What kind of expenses, do they have more debt than they have money in the bank? All that good stuff. Do they have any legal problems? What do the analysts think about this company? So um, let's go over here to analysts. All right, so you can see that hey, number of analysts one. I don't know. That's not enough for me to want to go out and hurry up and put this in my 401k or in my long-term investment portfolio. So that's just me though. You do you. So also want to check out the holders. Who's holding the stock? All right. Let's go over here. All right. So we got 21% of the float is held by institutions. Obviously, look at that Lion Point. Of course they holding because they just won a lawsuit from them. There you go. And they got to pay them like 1.3 million bucks. So yeah, just go down here to see who's holding the company, see what top mutual funds is holding the company. They don't have many shares. They can get in and out quick. 9,000. I usually like to see like the top mutual fund holders and the 200, 300,000, um, and see more than one or two holding that amount. I don't want to just see two holding 300, 400,000. I want to see like the whole row, if I can, holding the amount of 2 to 300,000 shares. That'll give me a warm and fuzzy about the company. All right, so let's go over here to bar charts. All right, so bar charts. Go and check out the SEC filings. You just heard me mention about the lawsuit. Oh yeah, it's right here. So inside of the SEC filings, You could read stuff about what's going on with the company, the settlement agreement. See right here, pay, boom, 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 boom. So they had some suspect activity going on that I don't know if it'd be a good buy for the long term, right? So we saw it pop the other day, and that's when I recommended it out, right? So that's when I was like, hey, check this out. So let's go to FinBiz. What's going on here? Oh yeah, check the other check on Twitter, check on YouTube. Sometimes you'll see a lot of people talking about the stocks, but take it with a grain of salt. Don't just go buy the stock because two or three people say, "Hey, go buy it," because sometimes they can be on some BS. So that's that on that. Let me log into my account real quick. All right, let's go to BFI. It's moving kind of. I got a lot of windows up. Come on, come on. Let's get it. All right, she's here. All right, so the other day when I sent it out to the chat group, it was July 30th, and it had just crossed over the prior day's close. So here, and I was like, hey, it's going up, but we see at the top here, it met some resistance, and in fact, the next day on the 31st, it went up even higher, and then on the first, it came down a little bit, but it opened higher, tricking people that it could go up higher, and it just dropped. Boom. Again, drop it down again. So, so that's why technical analysis, I feel like it'll tell you everything you need to know about what's going on with the company, right? So, not everything you need to know, but everything is in the charts. If you know how to read Japanese candlesticks, you'll be good. And also go and check out the SEC filings, check out the earnings, check out these annual reports, dig in and find out um, if it's something that you want to invest in long term. I mean, you're able to know good and bad, ugly about the stock. So I hope that helps. So next time you get a hot stock pick, do your own due diligence. Um, and thanks for watching this video. You know what I mean? Don't forget to hit likes, comment, and